Welcome back to another video. How y'all doing? Hope y'all doing good. I'm back from vacation. We about to get these videos out again. So today video we gonna talk about the 5 things that I hate about this car. Yeah, I love the car, but there's some things that I don't like. But the first thing we're gonna do is give y'all a cold start, and I mean real cold, because it's like 30 degrees right now. I can't talk about it out here. I can't lie, it's too cold. So let's get that cold start in. You hear me? Yup, and that's the sound of the gritty, baby. You heard me? Yes, sir. Now we're gonna take it to the GoPro. I am freezing. Let go. Alrighty, is it recording? Yes, we are. Yes, sir. So we on the GoPro, as I told you guys. Yeah, so the 5 things, and these things, they're not even in order. Just the things that I do not like about this car at all. I mean, I love the car, but there's some things that, come on, Honda, you can do better. The first thing, and as I said, it's not in order, but the first thing I'm gonna talk about is the exhaust. The exhaust is terrible. Like, for a sports car, it is terrible. At least the SI should have came with some 2.5-inch outlets. At least 2.5. I mean, that's still small, but at least 2.5. Like, come on, the Velosters, those exhaust stock is beautiful. I wish that Honda did that. Like, and I know they can. I don't know why this HDMI thing is. It's ridiculous. The next thing is, how you gonna have heated seats but do not have heated steering? I mean, I'm freezing right now. How you gonna do that? Like, if you go with the heated seats, just go with the heated steering wheel as well, please. That would be good. I would love that. Hi, damn! Freezing. It is so cold. The next thing is, oh, there's a Mustang. I should go race him. What'd you say? Let's go? Nah, I'm chilling. The next thing is a hood scoop. How comes you have a turbo car, sports car, that doesn't have a hood scoop? We need that cold air. I mean, they even restrict the airs coming at the intercooler. Like, that bee's nest or whatever you call it, wasp nest or whatever you call it. Come on, man. Some people call it the waffle or whatever. I don't like that. I do not like that. We need air. We need it. It's a turbo vehicle, and it's a sports car. The next thing is the Rev Hang. Oh my gosh, I hear a lot of people complain about it, but I did not know it was that bad until I bought the car. The Rev Hang is ridiculous. It is terrible. I mean, it even stops you from doing great pulls as a stock vehicle. And I mean, this is stock right now, but I'm gonna do stuff to it as we go along. But I heard that the tune can eliminate that Rev Hang to an extent. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get a tune for it to see if that issue is solved. I don't know if it will be solved completely, but they said that it gets down to a minimum or whatever. So that's what I'm gonna do to get rid of that issue. Y'all see, for the exhaust that I spoke about before, I got the gritty. That's the first upgrade I did. I had to. I just hated that HDMI thing that they got going on. The 5th thing is this electronic e-brake. It makes no sense with a manual vehicle. It's a manual vehicle. It makes no sense. That e-brake, I mean, this should be an exception. Okay, the automatic vehicles, you could put it in it, that's fine, because you guys don't even use it. It's in park. You don't even need it. But it's electronic brake. I've never tried launching the car with this e-brake setup. I don't even think you can do that. I know the brake hold, which I like. That's where they probably used to launch it. But this electronic e-brake gots to go. And I think they still got it in the 2022 SIs as well. Oh my gosh, that is annoying. This is really annoying. And I'm wondering, how much does it cost to get one of these fixed? Like, because it's electronic, I know it's gonna cost a hefty price to get these fixed. Meanwhile, you have those e-brake, you change your shoe and or whatever, your pads or whatever, you pull some bolts, tighten some bolts, and that's it. So those are the 5 things I do not like about this car. I'm gonna talk about the 5 things that I do like in another video. As I promised you guys, I'm gonna try to get some flybys real quick. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And remember, that prize is coming up. This is my 4th video, so the 5th video I'll be giving away that prize that I spoke about. So if you didn't watch this video, go back and watch the other videos and the other videos and leave y'all comments so y'all can win. I mean, it is cold, but I'm doing this for y'all, so I need that support. Let's go! And remember, life is precious. Don't be scared to live.